What is Ethereum and how does it work? You may have heard that Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Although Ethereum is the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, it is much more than a virtual coin. It's also a blockchain platform, and the cryptocurrency used to conduct transactions on the platform is actually called Ether, though it's often referred to as Ethereum as well. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crypto Time. Today we'll be talking about Ethereum. Watch the video until the end as every important question will be answered. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out on one of our videos. And having said that, let's get started. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is an open source platform that uses blockchain technology to create and run decentralized digital applications, or dApps, that enable users to make agreements and conduct transactions directly with each other to buy, sell, and trade goods and services without a middleman. For instance, users can bypass banks to transfer money, skip using a lawyer to draw up a sales contract, and launch their own fundraising site for Project Crowdsale rather than going through a crowdfunding internet site, among other uses. Ethereum operates via a global network of computers that work together as a supercomputer. The network assembles and runs smart contracts, applications that are in theory independent from any third-party interference or censorship, as the blockchain is resistant to tampering. Smart contracts run exactly as programmed, greatly reducing the risk of fraud, and are self-executing, like an automat or vending machine that carries out the contract terms digitally. Once certain conditions are proven to have been met, such as a transfer of payment, then the merchandise is conveyed or made accessible to the buyer. The difference between Ethereum and the internet is that all of these agreements and all the data pertaining to your transactions are stored in individual blockchain ledgers, not in some central warehouse like Google's Get Report Cloud or Facebook's Get Report servers, so it isn't as likely to be compromised by a data breach. The user is in control of their own data. Running the computers that execute code to power dApps is costly and consumes a lot of power. So Ethereum created Ether, its cryptocurrency, in order to incentivize programmers to run the Ethereum protocol on their computers. Those programmers are compensated in virtual Ether coins for contributing resources and writing quality applications so the network remains healthy. Just as Bitcoin miners get paid to maintain the Bitcoin blockchain by solving computational problems that allow them to add transactions to the public ledger, developers also use Ether to pay to build and launch a smart contract on the Ethereum platform. They are rewarded 3 Ether for each new block they add to the ledger. Ether is also used for users who want to access smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Ether debuted in a July 2014 initial coin offering, ICO, pricing at about 40 cents a coin. At its height, the cryptocurrency hit a record intraday high of $1,417 on January 10th, according to CoinDesk. Ether's price recently fell to about $114 amid a cryptocurrency sell-off that has shaved 73% off its price over the past year. The crypto craze of January has cooled amid a steady stream of negative news reports about ICO fraud and thefts. Ethereum Founder. Ethereum was founded by 19-year-old Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin, whose intent was to take the technology that powered Bitcoin's digital currency and use it to democratize everything from organizations, businesses, currencies, and even enable users to create your own country with an unchangeable constitution, putting the decision-making and power to create anything and economic control into the hands of individuals by taking it away from the world's central banks, corporations, and power brokers. A major stumbling block for the company has been vocal criticism from those same entities that stand to lose the most if Buterin's vision is realized. He released a white paper in 2013 delineating his ideas for Ethereum and was awarded the prestigious Thiel Fellowship for his work, along with $100,000 prize. His ideas attracted other developers such as co-founder Dr. Gavin Wood and Joseph Lubin, who joined him in launching a crowdfunding campaign in July 2014. So how does Ethereum work? Based on blockchain technology, Ethereum consists of a series of cryptographic or secure public records linked together that each is difficult to change. Because they are stamped with user data, time and date, and changes that must be approved by all users. On the ledger, anyone can create a financial contract or keep debt or ownership registries and eliminate the use of an external record keeper or trust officer. They're called trustless transactions because they eliminate the need for trusting the counterparty to the transaction, since the contract is self-fulfilling. Because of its sweeping size and scope, Ethereum's main technical problem has been speed and storage. It has operated at only a few transactions per second, with other crypto platforms able to carry out hundreds. Users have complained of bottlenecks and the expense of using the platform. A recent report citing sources close to the project said Ethereum developers are discussing an upgrade that could boost the technology's capabilities. The update, known as Ethereum 1x, is expected to potentially be rolled out soon and includes changes to help slow the Ethereum blockchain's growth. For any changes to be made to the platform, there must be a distributed consensus amongst the software users, but perhaps the update will be welcome if it addresses the Ethereum platform's greatest shortcomings. Regulatory concerns. Ether has been dogged by regulatory concerns for a while, as Securities and Exchange Commission officials raised questions about whether Ethereum should be regulated as a security. Another dark cloud hanging over all cryptocurrencies has been the ongoing SEC investigation and Department of Justice investigations into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The altcoin took a hit when Gary Gensler, a former Commodities Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) chairman, said that there is a strong case that one or both of Ethereum and Ripple are non-compliant securities. The word non-compliant raised worries that only registered stockbrokers would be able to deal in Ether. At the time, the report sent Ether plunging, despite getting a boost in June when SEC Director of Corporate Finance William Hinman said Ether and the Ethereum network are not securities transactions. Regulators have yet to implement formal regulations for cryptocurrency. Although the CFTC has said it deems Bitcoin a commodity, crypto's future still remains shrouded in uncertainty, with multiple investigations. In addition to pressure from regulators, the steady flow of criticism from banks, brokerages, and economists has contributed to crypto's nosedive this year. In June, for instance, the Bank of International Settlements, which is made up of 60 central banks that have a lot to lose if crypto were to take over fiat currency's role, issued a scathing report on crypto's shortcomings, saying it isn't scalable, doesn't have stable enough value, and there isn't sufficient trust in the finality of crypto's payments to replace the money. So that's all about Ethereum. If you enjoyed this video, then you probably will really enjoy our other videos. So if you click on the screen right now, you can go and watch the other ones. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe. See you next time on Crypto Time.